Alright guys, welcome to this video. So today we're gonna paint our wheel for 2005 Ford KA. Actually I already did last week, as you can see, but this week I'm gonna demonstrate it. So how we gonna do it? We just need to remove, as you can see over there, we just remove the wheel from the car. So we're gonna give it nice cleaning. Then after that we're gonna repaint it. So the first coat or first two coat will be primer. I'm gonna put the primer. As you can see, I get them from the Halfords because it is local shop in my area. Then after that I got matte black paint, probably any type primer or paint, black paint will be fine for you. I choose the black because this type of wheel mostly they are black, and also car is black. So but if you want to do different colors, it is up to you guys. So let's give them a little bit cleaning. It is quite old wheel, so probably same age with the car. Just be careful with this one, you know, where you put air on your tire. So if you damage that one, you need to replace it, so just be careful. I should have, sorry about the mess. I'm gonna use regular painting brush for give it a little bit cleaning. Oh, sorry guys. So let's check the other side. So let me try to find. Because there's a little bit. Yeah, there you go, see. Well, you can use water, but I'm gonna use the brake cleaner for washing it. Okay guys, just we need to wait for get it dry, then after that we're gonna paint it. Alright guys, the tire is dry now. Sorry, wheel is dry now. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna use some playing cards for masking, because we don't wanna paint the tire as well. So they are just regular playing cards. We just need to chuck them like that. Then they're gonna save the tire from the paint. Just to make sure you cover entire tire. Well, if you have a chance to remove the tire from the wheel and paint it, it is better than this one, but right now I don't have that chance, so I'm gonna use that kind of masking. So just put one on there, then that will be fine. So also I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna use the masking tape for masking this. That will work. So I think our wheel is ready for first coat of primer. So I'm not professional for the painting, but you guys need to make sure you don't apply the paint on the same spot for a while, otherwise it's gonna start dripping, because it will be a lot of paint on the same spot. Yeah, this is the first coat. It is very normal if it's like that, because it needs to get dry. So when I do the second coat, I will record it again. Let's leave it like that for 15 minutes, get it dry. Alright guys, it seems almost dry, so we're gonna apply the second coat of primer now. Then the next coat will be regular paint. So let's apply this one like the first one. Yeah, let's leave it like that to make it dry. Alright guys, now we're gonna apply the paint. So what we're gonna do, exactly the same when we did the primer. So we just use matte black for this time. Okay, let's make it dry. Then we're gonna apply the second coat. Alright guys, we're gonna apply the last coat. I am rushing a bit because I don't wanna lose the daylight, because right now I don't have lights in the garage. So I'm gonna apply the last coat, then I will leave it for dry. You can wait much more longer than me if you have a time, but I am a bit rushed now. So let's apply the last coat and leave it drying like that. So after one side, you need to do same process for the other side as well. Then your your wheel like a new. So I will leave it like that for drying. Then guys, I'm gonna show it to you when it's dry.